I want to show you guys how you can be able to enable dark mode on WhatsApp for those using an iPhone. If you're using an iPhone, you want to enable dark mode on your WhatsApp to make your WhatsApp appear the way my own is currently appearing. I'll show you how you can be able to do it with an easy step. For you to get such dark mode on your WhatsApp, all you need to do is to go direct into your phone settings. Go to your phone. In your phone settings, you click on display and brightness. As you can see, my appearance is currently on dark. That is why my WhatsApp is appearing on dark mode. If I should switch over to light mode, my WhatsApp will appear on light mode. So if you want your WhatsApp to be on dark mode, you tick the dark, then that way your WhatsApp will be on dark mode. Let me tick on white now to go and see how my WhatsApp will be showing for now. As you can see, my WhatsApp is back on light mode. So guys, that is it on how you can enable dark mode on your WhatsApp for those using an iPhone. I believe this tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.